Come test drive the 2023 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.